Today I'm talking to you about how to make money from POS business. How to make money from POS business. Many people are making money from POS business today in Nigeria and in other parts of the world. The reason is not far-fetched. People want to get money in their hand so that they can spend. When they go to the bank or visit the bank ATM, there's a long queue. Sometimes some machines in the bank are not dispensing. And sometimes the queue on the line is so long. Sometimes there's no network. And there are a lot of POS around that you can just go, give them your card, or you just do a transfer to their account and then they'll give you the cash. Instead of you going to POS to be withdrawing and they are taking your money, why can't you go into the business of POS also, in addition to whatever business that you are doing? How to set up the POS business and how to make profit from it is what I'm going to be telling you in this less than 7 minutes video. Let me go straight to the point. POS means point of sale. Now you get to the POS machine. How do you get the POS machine itself? There are many companies now that are into the sale and distribution of POS machine. If you want any company close to you and you don't know any, I can be able to give you the name of 1 or 2 companies that are right there wherever you are in Nigeria. And you can approach them and you can get in touch with them. Another way to get access to this machine is to ask anybody doing the POS business around the vicinity where you are. Ask them about where they got the machine and how it goes. They will refer you to the company that gives them the machine, and then you can go there and buy your machine. How much does the POS machine itself cost? In some places, there was a time it was going for 14,000 naira, at a point 20,000, at a point 30,000, at a point 40,000. As at yesterday, I was listening to the news on one of the FM stations in the town where I lived, and it was advertising the machine for 25,000 naira for people that go there. I was listening to the news yesterday, to the radio program yesterday. They said those who go to their office today between the hours of 9 and 11, they are going to be getting the machine for 25,000 naira. Some of these machines come with the company that give you the machine. It's like there's a kind of guarantee with the bank. They are going to give you money that you are going to use to start. When you pay, they will give you money to start because they will have your BVN and they have your details. Then as you are returning the money, then they are paying you again. So it's like you are going to be sharing the profit. So if you are saying that you don't have money to start the business, you just have money to the machine, go for the machine in such companies, and then you can begin to start to do the business with the money the company will give you. But the profit you make, you will also give the company part of the profit and you will keep part of the profit. I think that is a good deal for anyone, because after some time you are going to graduate from that level and you are going to have your own money and you are going to run your business. But if you have your business, you have about 100,000 or 200,000, I will suggest you go for the machine. When you buy the machine, then you start running the business. Now, after getting the machine, how do you run the business? You have to get a good location. A good location is a place where there's commercial activities, where buying and selling is going on, where people are moving in and moving out. Such places can be near bus stops. Some places can be around markets. Some places can be around busy places in the metropolis, at the busy junctions or somewhere where people are always going and coming and they are buying things or thereabout. So in such places, you can do it. If you live in an estate, you can do it around in the house too. Put the banner in front of your house that you do POS here. Your neighbors want to go out, they don't have cash, they will come to you. You will do it, you will give them the cash, and then you move on. They know that you are always around in the night. You are saying, I go to work from morning till night. Yes, you can still do POS business right there in your home. They know that you go to work from morning, you come back by 5 p.m. From 5 p.m. till night and early in the morning, they can do POS in your house. It doesn't take time. 1-2 minutes. In 1 minute, you can attend to one person. The person comes, either does transfer or give you the card, their ATM card. You put it in the machine and then it does this thing, and it does the withdrawal and give them their money. The beauty of it is that when people know you and you have become known to them, they even will have transferred to you before they come to you. They will have transferred money to your account. Let's say 30 minutes before, they just come and say, have you seen the alert? They can even chat you up on WhatsApp. I've transferred money to you, have you seen the alert? I'm coming now. And they will come, you hand your money over to them, and then they move. Now, what is the profit margin in the POS business? When the POS business first started, the profit margin was wide. It was so wide. It was around 30 naira to 1,000. When you withdraw 1,000, they take 30 naira. When you withdraw 2,000, they take 60 naira. When you withdraw 3,000, the person that's giving you the money takes 90 naira. When you withdraw 4,000, the person takes 120. When you withdraw 5,000, the person takes 150. So that when you withdraw 10,000, the person takes how much? 300 naira. Today, when you withdraw 5,000 naira, the person operating the machine takes 100 naira. So that when you withdraw 10,000, the person takes 200 naira. So if you withdraw 10,000, the person takes 200 naira. By the time you withdraw 100,000, the person takes 2,000 naira. Now, how is money made in this business? Is it one person that will come and withdraw 200,000? It's not usual. People don't withdraw so large an amount of money from POS operators. They withdraw in the limit of 20 and below, 20,000 and below from POS operators. Some people come to withdraw 1,000. When they withdraw 1,000 such way and they don't have change, you bill them 50 naira. When you draw 2,000, anything between 1,000 and between 500 naira and 5,000, you still bill them between 50 naira to 100 naira as it goes. Now, when they now come for 7,000 naira, you still bill them 200. You charge them or you take them 150. If the competition is large, this is business. You have to use your own ingenuity to see how you can attract and you can also retain your customers. You attract new customers and retain your old customers. This is how the business is going to roll. You go to some places and they tell you, it's 30 naira. People will move away from there and go to the place that are doing it at a good rate. So you want to have more people and at the same time have consistent flow, cash flow. You see, POS business is a business of volume. So the more people you have patronizing you, the more money you make. Now, if somebody withdraw 5,000, if 20 people withdraw 5,000 from you in a day, that means you have made 2,000 naira by doing nothing. Just put your card in the machine and then you take 100 naira. Put your card on the machine, give them their money, and you take money. It doesn't disturb anything. You go to the bank, you withdraw money from the bank, and that's how you got the money you are giving out. You go to the bank ATM, you withdraw money from the ATM. Now, if you don't want to go to the bank, you can contact people because you are in a busy place where people are buying and selling. You can contact those people who are buying and selling around you. They can give you the money. Instead of them have sold, they can't go to the bank and they need to bank the money. People selling cement, selling other things, and they're selling rice in bags. They've made sales. They do not want to go to the bank. All you need to do is, all you need to do is to collect the cash from them and use for your own POS and transfer the equivalent of the cash you collected from them to their own bank account. You think you understand? So by so doing, when you are short of cash, you approach those people. You have made arrangement with them. You approach them. So instead of those people to be going to the bank to deposit, they will give you the money. You will transfer the money to their account. That one is free of charge. You don't bill them, they don't bill you. It's a pari passu something. It's a mutual agreement, mutual relationship. They benefit, you benefit. You are supposed to go to the bank. They are supposed to go to the bank. So instead of they going to the bank and you going to the bank, you convert the bank. So you are now the bank. You take the money from them and transfer equivalent of what you take from them to their own account. And then those who come to do POS withdraw from you, you give them cash and then you take the money into your own account with interest. So if you have 40 people withdrawing 5,000 naira in a day, that means you're going to make 4,000 naira in a day. 4,000 naira in a day means that in 10 days you make 40,000. and then in 20 days you make 80,000, and then in 30 days you make 120,000. That is just having 40 people to withdraw 5,000 from you in a day. And I'm telling you, in a single day you are going to have more than that, because a day is made up of about 8 hours or 10 hours. If you're doing that business, you will be there for like 10 hours. In the morning, people want to go to work. In the afternoon, every time people are withdrawing, people are getting money. People are getting money. You can get more than 40 people withdrawing 5,000 from you in a day. And sometimes people want to transfer to their friend's account, to somebody's account, to their relationship account, to a business account. You do the transfer on their behalf, get the money, and then you should charge them for that. And many other things are possible. So you can make much more than 100,000 naira in a month. Many people go to the work, they tie, they put on tie, and they put on everything. They go from 7 a.m. and they close by 5 p.m. At the end of the month, they give them 20,000 or 30,000 or 40,000. With the POS business, you can make cool cash of 100,000 naira and above. And how you're going to do it is what I've outlined to you. You get a chair, you get a table, you get a canopy, something like an umbrella, a big umbrella over your head, and then you put the banner there that you do POS, and people will start coming to you and to do this business with you. So if you want more explanation on the POS business or how to go about it, if you want more explanation, drop your comment in the comment section below. Ask your question in the comment section below, and I want you to like this video and to share the link of this video with others so that they can benefit from this business opportunity. My name is Olubenga Adetitun, and I am the convener of this YouTube channel. I am going to be happy for you to look at my other videos. I have made more than 550 videos on this channel, and I'm targeting and moving on to make more videos that will be beneficial to you in many business areas. Check them out. Look at just this one now that is showing up here right now. Subscribe, like this video, and then look at this next video. You are surely going to be glad you did. I'm going to talk to you some other time.